Mabuhay, maayong gabi sa tanan kong followers, viewers, and supporters. Guys, this is Alexi Fernandez from Davao City. Gina-encourage na ko or I am inviting to all my friends na ko from my college days, katong mga tao nga na-meet na ko. And of course, friends na ko from my high school days, very few kabalo na mo kung kinsa mo, then friends na ko during elementary years, during younger years. I hope this Christmas holiday season, kita-kits tayo guys. Let's have one, maybe lunch or dinner, or maybe a coffee. Mag-coffee lang tayo guys. Dili na nako isa-isahon inyong mga pangalan, kabalo naman mo kung kinsa mo. Then let us see each other